y'all, welcome to my channel. Jumping right into this video, y'all, we've got a new unit from Ashimary Hair today. This is a 360 unit, y'all. This does have the Invisi strap on it, so you are able to wear this unit up in a bun. This is a glueless newborn hairline, so you do get more of a natural hairline on this look, and the hair is super soft, you guys. It is a 360 like I said, so here's just a close-up of the back, and here's just the Invisi straps. I'll show you exactly how this works. It's very easy. It's not complicated at all, but you're able to make this nice and flush up against your head while you pull your hair up in a cute little bun. So let's get right into how I apply this. This unit does come pre-cut, like I just showed you, and pre-bleached, basically pre-everything. You don't really have to do anything to it, you guys. All I'm doing is just adding my normal hairspray just for some support, because it does actually fit really well. It's one of the most comfortable and the best fitting units I have tried in such a long time, but I definitely needed to have this adhesive there just to make everything nice and flush and make sure nothing is gonna fall off my head, okay? But glue is definitely optional. And as far as the back goes, you guys, this is all you're going to do. You're gonna grab those two straps on the side, the little Invisi straps. You're just gonna slightly tug on it, just a light pull, so that the nape area can be adjusted to your head. It's tailored to your fit, how comfortable you need it, all that great stuff. And then next, I'm just taking my eyebrow razor. I find using a razor is better than using scissors for a more like softer look, instead of it just being straight blunt across, just to take some of that hair off in the back so that when we pull it up, we're looking good, okay? Next, y'all, super simple. We are just gonna grab our hot comb, our wax stick, and flatten this hair, get it nice and flat at the top. This hair actually takes to heat very well, and also with this hair, y'all, super soft. This is probably one of the, if not the best, kinky straight units I have ever worn. Like, it's not too kinky. The kinks came out very easily, and it's not too full either. Sometimes kinky straight can just be too much hair, I feel like, and this worked out like perfectly. But we'll get into straightening and how that came out in just a second. I just wanted to put that out there. Let's get into these edges, y'all. The edges were a little bit different for me. I don't want to say difficult, just different. Because it's more of like a newborn, softer, more natural hairline, getting them to lay and be perfect is not gonna happen. So don't expect that unless you go in with like a hot comb or a small curling iron or something. I wasn't doing that. I wanted the look to just come out however it was gonna look. Not doing too much with it, and I ended up liking it. Just added a little bit of foam. Once I got everything laid how I wanted to, I just put my little scarf on, and that's it. And then next, y'all, I'm just going to curl the back of my nape. Make sure those curls are coming in so that when I do pull my hair up, we are all good. And then I just added a little bit of hairspray to the actual hair in the back, not the lace, but the hair, just to make sure it stayed down and it really just blended and didn't move at all. So going into flat ironing this hair, y'all, was the smoothest. I loved it, okay? So very rarely do I love to straighten kinky straight hair because it's just so much hair and it takes a while. But this took me no time. And when I tell you they got it right with the density on here, again, like I'm saying, sometimes kinky straight units can just be too much hair, and we want them to look as natural as possible. I don't know why some of these companies keep like just putting so much hair with the kinky straight unit. It just ends up looking a little bit too bulky, too wiggy. You guys know what I'm trying to say. And you really gotta like keep running a flat iron over it. This did not give that at all. They did a really good job on the density, and the hair itself was so nice. It mimicked type 4 hair so well, you guys. And the combination of using a wax stick with some heat, so whether that's your hot comb like I'm doing right here and your flat iron, won't weigh this hair down. Just don't do too much of the wax stick at the root or whatever. You can put it a little bit on the hair because the hair can take it, and it just makes it look a little bit more flat, but it still doesn't lose the bounce, it doesn't lose the shine, it doesn't lose the movement at all, y'all. And just the FYI, I love the length on this. This is, I want to say it's 22 or 24 inches. Make sure you check the description box. I'll have the direct link down there. I want to go for 24 inches. I did not put put any layers in this because I like the straight middle part look. Y'all know that is my thing, and I can see this unit as a really good go-to unit for myself. So no layers yet, maybe down the line. But to finish up this first look, you guys, if you just need to just throw it on and look super cute, just add a little bit of oil, and here is the first of 5 looks for y'all. Next, y'all, because summer is right around the corner. Okay, not really, but spring is near. Spring is near, so we can start throwing our hair up in a cute little messy bun after we've been out all day, or you just want to just throw it up in a bun, run some errands and stuff. I just grabbed my little elastic band. It does have like ear cushions on it, which is perfect, and it just threw it up in a cute little messy bun. So here's that look. And then next we're gonna do half up, half down. And I did add a little slight wave, a little curl to this look. I love this hair straight, but I just wanted to see how it curled. It doesn't really hold a curl that well, you guys. I'm gonna be honest with you, but in my opinion, no kinky straight hair does. I don't care what the company is or anything. The hair just, it takes a lot to hold the curl, and you have to use some hairspray. And since I was switching up my hairstyle, showing you guys different stuff, and I really didn't want to put that much hairspray in this, I opted for like no hairspray because I wanted to see exactly how it would curl. And it did just a little bit. So you've got a slight little wave here. Kept it really cute, kept it real simple. I was about to go pick up my son from school, so I just added a little bit of curl to it just for some body. And I will show you guys this look in just a second. Another option for you would be just be throwing this in a high pony, you guys. Let me tell you something. I love throwing this hair in a high ponytail. I thought it was so cute. The hair looks so natural, super chic as well. Definitely one of my favorite looks. I have been a middle part girl for like all my life, okay? And I don't know, y'all. It was something about doing this hair in a side part that might make me switch over for 2025. I don't know. Anyways, I just did a little side part here, got my little hot comb, got a little hairspray. I told you guys to use a little hairspray right on the top. Didn't really experience any flyaways, nothing like that. Smooth everything down, and I love this look as well. Y'all, this hair gave me some cute little looks real quick. Like, it's very easy to switch this look up because you have so much parting space with it being 360. I love this wig. They did a really great job with this. All I'm doing here is just flipping out the hair. I didn't want it to be bone straight, but I didn't want any curls or anything in it. So I just bumped the ends real quick. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, comments. Make sure you check the description box. Everything that I use will be down below, as well as, of course, the link to this unit, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.